Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, SonarQube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you.
The project releases. This provides a robust framework for managing larger projects. Gitflow is ideally suited for projects that have a scheduled release cycle and for the for the DevOps best practice of continuous delivery. This workflow does not add any new concept or commands beyond what's required for the feature branch workflow. Instead, it assigns very specific role to different branches and define how and when they should interact. In addition to feature branches, it uses individual branches for preparing, maintaining, and recording release. So now look at this. How do we install the Git flow? So if you're in Mac, Brew, Linux, and Windows, guys, last URL. So Git flow, you can install it. It's a okay. This tool set is actual command line tool that has an installation process. After installing the Git flow, you can use it in your project by executing Git flow init, and Git flow is a wrapper around the Git. So what are the branches they will ask you to practice it. So when you run the command called git flow init, then main, develop, feature, and release, hot fixes, support. So this is a standard name of the branches they will ask you to create it. So you see that here. How to merge also, you cannot simply go and merge each and everything to everyone. There is some process will be governed. So main branch and develop branch, and you see that also feature branch. This is the one, release branch, hot fixes, and so on. So how do we start working on it? So you have to make sure that when you are implementing the git flow, you have to start the initializing the repository in this fashion, git flow init. So that command will do all the remaining branching, naming the branch and all stuff like that, which will be take care of it. Okay, so after that, whatever the command I had taught you, you can start work using that. And whenever you are violating the flow, then they will respond it. I mean, they will prompt you and then get it working. So this is the one of the practice which you should implement by the tool and so on. Any questions, guys?
No,
Any questions?
no.
Okay. Now I want to give you some more feeds for the types of branches, merging types of merging, because in Git there's so many different types of merging is there. I don't want to scare you right now, but it's not least used actually. Some special scenarios is being used. So for that, want to just show you the list of branch merging type. So just a second. So do we have any one place where we have all the details? Huh. So yeah. So these are the merging strategy which is supported by Git. Okay. So I was talking about the recursive, but we do have a resolve also, octopus also, ars also, subtree also, and few more, which is options like fast forward, squash, and all these things. So these are the strategy. So if you have a really interest to know about all this strategy, you can practice it. This all are available in the official documents also. So resolve, octopus, or subtree. Though 99% you don't need this kind of strategy for the regular work. Sometimes we have special scenarios, special errors. So for that, it's good to know all about it. So remember that resolve, octopus, or subtree. These are all also available, but this is for the future learnings. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Okay, so one more topics which I want to talk about. I think did we talk about the undoing the stuff? All of you, Git undoing. I'm not able to recall that. Anyone? Okay, so did I talk about Git clean, Git reset, Git revert? Did I talk about it? Anyone have a good memory? Okay, so here these are the three commands where you can use it. So let me show you here. So we know that we have a three areas. Okay, so this is working directory, this is staging, and this is the repository. Okay, so now if you have some files here and you want to clean it using the git command, so then in that case you can use the git clean. For example, let me show you. Here, so this is the file which is in the working directory. So if I do the git clean f-f-d, it will only remove this file. See, gone. Now because of git ignore is gone, so build also started showing. You want to delete this one also? See, gone. So this command can be used for that purpose. Let's say you have sent some file to staging, okay, and then that staging, from staging you want to get revert, undo the stuff to the working directory. So how do you do that? So using the command which is called git reset, and file name you can use it, and you see that I reset this. Right now the file is in staging. Now if I do status, uh, reset is not taking. One stage changes after reset. So file has been reset but still taking modifications. So let me check the status. And here, that's correct. Okay, there's my confusion here. So this changes has to be committed. It's in staging. But reset command, what has happened? Now you see that change is not staged for that. So it's got moved to working directory. See here. So this is in a working directory. Now there is one thing which we have. So let me commit this one. Called git commit -m adding. Now there is one file which I am having, touch good.txt, git add, git commit -m good file, good code. This is I'm committing good code, and then I'm committing the bad code. Bad code. Okay, so now if you see that last situation, what about if you have the files here and you want to undo? Undo is not possible, so you have to revert back. So this is the commit in the repository. This is a good, this is a bad. So you want what you want, this is a good code you want on top of that, so your build will not fail. So look at this here, git log --- one line, and git log here. So this is the good code and this is the bad code. Okay, so now this is the bad code which is failing my build. So what I want to revert back to this one on top of that. So what to do? So git revert bad code, paste it, enter. Why you are reverting, you have to give the reasons for it. Save it, and now save. So this is the good code, this is the bad code. Now this is the good code again. How do you know whether it's the same? So git diff, if you compare this ID versus this ID, you will get difference bad.txt. But if you compare this with this, good code versus good code, and you should not have any differences. So that is something. So what you did, whatever the good code, you put it up on top of it. Now this is a working code. So this is a also you can do undoing the stuff in the Git. Any questions so far, guys? All of you?
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.